third part. Now I will use another thing to practice the slow motion. So I will use the chest, okay? So for the chest, you have to understand when you want to use this part, you need to breathe, okay? So breathe is not easy for everyone, okay? So I will explain you how you can breathe with the slow motion. So actually when you breathe, normally you use this, but me, I use my chest. So I do it this. When you breathe, you have to use your chest. So normally, when I say you go up, when you see, I go up, but I go forward, like this. And after, in. So, out, in. Out, in. So this moment is really good for when you want to practice the slow motion, because when you do it this, actually I do a slow motion. I slow down my movement. So for me it's really easy, okay? So I will show you again. So try to be relaxed again and use only this part, not your shoulder. Don't focus about your shoulder, only your chest, okay? Don't stay normal, okay? And just do it this. Forward, in. So out, in, out, in. And when you do it this, breathe. Okay. Because this moment you can do a block, boom, boom, boom. But now we're talking about the slow down, so you have to slow down your chest. Boom, boom, boom. So this is a really good exercise when you want to dance with your partner. You can use this part in the same time that you move. Boom, clack, boom, clack. So I will explain you like this with the work to move this part, for example. So now actually just working normally and move normally your chest. So 1, 2. Try to do it 2 times. Boom, 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 boom. 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I will show you again. 7, 8, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Sometimes this is really complicated to move some part of your body and sometimes to working. This is the thing that you really need to working alone, to be face to the mirror to see if it's good or not, if you really control your chest and sometimes that you're working. You know, this is the really thing, it's just complicated. So you need to practice a lot to really understand how you can move your chest in sometimes that you move. So just now, I just want you to understand the principle of the chest and slow down, boom, boom, and when you working, because when you dance Kizomba, you working. So I really want you to use this part in sometimes that you move, okay? So I say, when you move, you have to do boom, 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 in, out, in. But when you do it this movement, all the time your posture has to be perfect, okay? Never forget your posture, okay? So normally you're in this position, shoulder relaxed, just a little bit forward, a little bit, and your bonda, your hips a little bit forward, okay? So when you're first to your partner, if you want to use this part, you have to control your chest, go forward, so out, and after in, control, out, in. And when I go in, I contract a little bit my abdominal, okay? So out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. So you have to really dissociate this part not this part. Okay? Boom, 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 boom. Now let's practice. So now I just want you to focus about your chest. So stay normal like this, okay? And just follow the music, okay? The music do 1, 2, 1, 2. Try to move, try to play with this count, like 1, 2, 1, 2. And now with the chest at the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2. Breathe, breathe. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Look my abdominal, I contract like this, I'm in this position, and after out. One more time, and out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Your movement has to be big, not small like this. We see nothing, and I think the people can see nothing also, and your partner. So try to really accent all the time the movement. Out, in, out, in, open, in, out, in. Now I will show you with the work. 5, with 2 times. I use 1, 2, 1, 2, and in some time I will move my chest. Okay. All the time with the music. So just wait. Okay. 5, 6. Just wait. 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Don't forget, when you do the slow motion, when you work, try to control your whole body. And sometimes, now when you use your chest, I will show you again, together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Now we will practice with 3 times. Okay? Now you use 3 times. When you're working, and your chest also. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So when you use 3 times, when I'm working, I use 3 times with my chest. Both together, okay? 5, 6, together, and 1, 2, 3. Slide. 1, 2, 3. Slide, and 1, 2, 3. Slide, and 1, 2, 3. Slide, and 1, 2, 3. Slide. Now we will use 4 times. Okay? Let's go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 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 Did you see when I'm working, I try to, again, respect my line, respect my posture, and when you do it the slow motion, this is really nice if you don't do a big step. don't do a big step, okay? Try to just working normally, okay? Like this. It's not necessary to do it this, to be speed. No, you have time. Normally when you do a slow motion, you are like in the same place, okay? So when you do it this, try to stay just normal in the, you know, boom, okay? So now we're gonna use 5 times, okay? Chest and walking. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I 5. I go down, and my chest go in. No. When I continue, when I do 1, I do it this. Okay? So at 1 you have to be here. And after control until when you go at 5. Like when I do 1, I go up, out. And after when I do 2, 3, 4, 5, I try to control my chest to go in at 5, and I stop at 5 like this. I will show you slow motion. Slow down. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is more the slowdown when you want to control your slowdown is at the moment that you go in. So at 1 you have to be like this, and after control to finish at 5. Okay. One more time again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. We have a lot more on the way. Also, if you're interested in going deeper with your knowledge and know everything there is about following in Kizomba Urbankiz, we have an online school for you, amazing-follows.com. We will be thrilled to see you on the other side. Bye.